Here's the 1042. I still got to do a bit of work to it. Make a plate to go on there, both sides. Got to finish the bonnet as well. Lock up the hole, swap the rock cover around so the oil pickup comes out the hole. But for now, it's good enough. Spent enough time on it. I'll come back to it in a couple of months. Everything works, all like on the tractor. Mowed lawns with it yesterday. At the moment, I've got an oil cooler in there to run the power steering pump off. So I don't have a steering ram yet, but it's got to be on there to block the hole on the timing case. But it goes good. I'm going to put an HX40 hole set on there shortly. Just I've had enough of working on it, so for now it's staying like this.